So I ordered the Sig Romeo Zero, which I brought up in the previous video, and I ordered a plate from Lakeline that is specifically for the Sig Romeo Zero. And I ordered suppressor height sights so I can put the front sight that's taller, and I'm gonna see, because Sig Romeo Zero's got like its own little rear sight setup. I'm gonna see if you can co-witness with that plate. The plate's supposed to be like super low as pretty much a plate can be. So we're gonna see how that does. And yeah, that's off topic. Today's video is actually about the ATF and the pistol brace thing. So I brought it up in previous videos. I know I don't go over too much detail with them. I will put up what they have on their atf.gov site. I'll put it over here. And basically they say they're gonna withdraw the whole thing that they were talking about. Now, that's a win right now, but it doesn't mean that something can't change in the future. They're definitely targeting all sorts of different type of firearms and things like that. So, but right now it looks like they are withdrawing back, which is a really good thing. That's positive because we needed the one win at least out of that, and that's definitely in the right direction. I'm not sure if they just kind of were like, you know what, there's too many people that are fighting against this, or what the reasoning for their decision was, but they are withdrawing that, and that is definitely a positive thing. So I was going to do a live video about this just to kind of test the live features for the giveaway, and I decided not to. But yeah, so withdrawal from the ATF, that's a good thing. And then also I ordered new attachments for the MCK because we're already at 44 likes. So on that video, once it hits 50, on top of the MCK giveaway, I'm going to give away my red dot, the optic, the Tacticon laser, and the CAA flashlight. That's an Olight little attachment in there. And yeah, so since I'm giving all those things away, I ordered new stuff for my MCK, so that stuff should be here, I don't know, like a week or so. So bunch of things to come, bunch of things to test out. I got to test out the Sig Romeo Zero. I want to test it with that plate and see if I can co-witness through a front sight. If I can, I might just run the plate. I'm not sure. If I can't, I will get the slide milled. But I'm trying to keep the build as budget as possible, and it's kind of there. It's kind of, I don't know. We'll see. But we just have to really see how those sights and stuff turn out. And so I also talked to Lakeline, and they said that threaded barrel should be in stock like right after the 1st or something like that. So hopefully I'll be ordering that soon. We'll be testing out compensators, suppressors, and all the fun stuff that come with a threaded barrel. So that's something new to come too. So if you are interested in any of those videos and you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell notification. And I'm going to enjoy my New Year, or not New Year, but I'm going to enjoy my Christmas Eve and Christmas with my family. And I will see you all after that. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you would, hit that like button. Other than for that, I'll catch y'all later.